Hey guys, behind me is the entrance to the warehouse arcade as well as Circle C on deck 17 in the middle of the ship. It's a little bit hard to find, so I thought I'd help you guys out. In this one, we're going to start at the Lido deck and make our way to the entrance of the arcade and Circle C. So let's go. Here we are on Lido next to the Red Frog Tiki Bar, which is 2 stories on the Excel class of ships. And we're going to walk through these double doors. Next, you will pass the elevator banks, the midship elevator banks, and head towards these stairs. Once you get to the top of the stairs, the entrance to the warehouse arcade and Circle C will be on your right.